Okay, so we have selected the cubes out of our bag and placed them in the right column per color. And then I took the cubes off of the graph and I drew the pictures. So we have a picture graph. And now we can begin to answer questions about the cubes that we have in our bag. How many cubes are in the bag? How do we know how many cubes are in the bag? Well, what we do is we're going to add. We know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 green cubes in the bag. So we'll take our marker and we will write 4. And we also have brown. So how many brown cubes do we have? 1. So we have 1 brown cube plus we had 1, 2, 3. 3 red cubes. 4 plus 1 more is 5 plus 3 more, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. So our answer is we have 8 cubes in the bag. Now, next question. How many green and red cubes are there all together? All together is adding because we're joining, right? We're not taking away, we're adding and bringing together. So how many green and red? So we're only going to add the green and red cubes this time. And again, we can just look at our graph because we've already sorted the cubes. We don't have to go back into the bag and count them all over again. We can look at our chart, our graph. 4 green ones plus 3 red equals 4 plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3. Subitize 7. 7 all together amongst the green and red. Last question. And are you starting to see how handy the pictograph is? It's really handy to have a graph. Are there fewer brown cubes than red cubes? Fewer. Fewer means less than brown. So are there less brown cubes than red cubes? Do we need to go back in the bag and look and count? No, we can look at our graph. There's 1 brown and how many red? 3. Which is greater? There's more red, right. So the answer is yes. There are fewer brown. There are fewer brown cubes than red. Yes. And the reason, because there are 3 red and 1 brown and 3, so we could write because, yes, because 1 brown cube is less than 3 red cubes. And so hopefully, boys and girls, you can see how we can use a pictograph to solve addition and subtraction problems. Okay, let's try some together.